I got some work to be done, and I have here is called the multi-tool pen. So let's open this up, show you what you get inside. Instruction booklet, of course. And that is nice. You got a pen. It's aluminum. It's strong. It's got the clip. It's got a level. Now if I open this up, I have a pen measuring in millimeters, inches. I have another pen over here. It's got a level, a ruler, clip, a pen, a stylus tab, and I heard if you unscrew this, it's got a precision Phillips and a screwdriver, and you cover it up. I also heard that if you press one of them, and it's pressable, that a light will come on. And right over here, that may hold true. I gotta go figure out how to get that light on. There is a little plastic tab that you remove, and there's the light. So I'm able to see, and I press it again to go off. But you know, that may be a little problem in a pocket if you put it in upside down like I do. You open it up, there is the switch and the bulb that you can change out the batteries that are inside here. And it just simply goes in. So it's a 2-pen set. I'm not opening up any bottles of beer or whatnot, but what if I open up this side? Will it show anything? It's got a stylus as well. So I can grab my phone. I don't use my phone as a stylus. And I can switch pages and whatnot. That is neat. So it's a lot I can do. Wait a second. I'm opening up again, and I got a screwdriver. Look at that. And a precision Phillips as well. How to refill? Pull, unscrew, grab an ink, screw, place on. Oh, let's not forget, you get replacement batteries and you get refill kits. So this is a multifunctional pen, definitely indeed. So what I'm going to go do, go put this to some little use. So if I needed to cut a piece of wood, all I do is just open this up and I take a measurement. Bingo! Look at that. It writes. And I need to say, hey, you know, I need to go about 4 inches off of there. So 4 inches is right here to here. That'd be fine. So right there, I'm going to put my little mark right for you. I hope you enjoy your multi-tool pen kit.